I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the Visual Studio installer. Make sure you run it as administrator if you need system-level components. Choose your edition, Community for free use or Professional/Enterprise if you have a license, then review available workloads. Once done, select core workloads like NET Desktop, ASP, .NET, or C++ to match your projects. You'll also see individual components. Include build tools and SDKs now to avoid later downloads, and confirm disk space so the installer won't pause mid-process. Next, you refine what gets installed. Select workloads that map to your real needs because each workload bundles tools, SDK, and templates. Then click individual components to pick precise items, target frameworks, compilers, emulators, or Docker support so you don't overfill the disk. Make sure to set the installation path if you want it off the system drive, and include language packs if you prefer non-English UI. Once configured, verify the estimated space and installer size before proceeding to install. Finally, start the install or modify operation and watch the progress. The installer may need to download large files, so ensure a stable connection. If it prompts for a restart, save work and allow it. Make sure antivirus isn't blocking installers. Once finished, open Visual Studio and update via help check for updates if extensions need syncing. If something breaks, run installer more repair, review logs in your temp folder, and use the installer diagnostic to resolve component failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.